Welcome to the Phi-Tech YouTube channel. Our channel brings interesting moments in life such as transport machinery equipment, tree saws, accident moments, cameras, military. We hope everyone will support watching the video, and if you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and now invite everyone to watch interesting videos. Hey everyone, check this out. Splitting wood has become so much easier with this amazing homemade log splitter and the crane. Imagine effortlessly handling logs nearly 3 feet in diameter with a splitting force of 30 tons. This beast can take on anything you throw at it. What do you think about it? These scenic trees perfectly capture the essence of hard work and determination. The scent of freshly cut wood, the rhythmic sound of the saw, and the unwavering focus of the man create a powerful image of resilience and strength. A winter logging guy feels like the ultimate test of man and machine. Everything is frozen, and you're slipping and sliding all over the place. But then this bad boy rolls in, the Timberjack 810B, like snow and ice mean nothing. This thing packs power for days and is as steady as a rock. Want to talk productivity? This beast will leave you speechless, seriously. The H2D harvester excels at handling heavy timber with its 305 horsepower engine and advanced hydraulic system. Equipped with the RK310 crane and the SP761LF harvester head, it efficiently processes large trees. Built for harsh conditions, the H2D stands out as one of the highest performing machines in forestry operations. Solato TLA22 and TB1.200 cutting and splitting machines for firewood production. This video is guaranteed to excite and satisfy you. Oh my goodness. Have you seen the Tech Exo Ram in action? It's absolutely incredible. It grabs onto tree stumps with precision and lifts them effortlessly, as if they were just toys. I can't believe my eyes. The size and power of this machine are astonishing. This is hands down the most impressive tool I've ever seen. The Max 7000 XT harvester is a true test of engineering excellence. Its 80 centimeters cutting capacity, combined with the LogMate 510 control system, delivers unmatched efficiency. The active friction control technology is a game changer for machine longevity. This is truly a remarkable harvester. That's incredible. It's truly a massive tree trunk. Do you think it could be thousands of years old? Wow, those skitter log haulers never fail to amaze me. They're like ants, carrying loads many times their own weight. That machine is an absolute beast, and the operator knows exactly how to tame it. That's quite a large log, but the MS-462 steel chainsaw is more than capable of handling it. Pay attention to the precise cutting technique, a notch cut to control the falling direction, followed by a back cut to release the tree. It's a perfect example of safe and efficient tree felling. Right, you guys watch and subscribe to the channel to see more impressive scenes. We always bring the most impressive scenes to serve you